Welcome to our Degrees of Latitude Healthcare Professional Training Program. The Latitude NXT website offers you flexibility and control over how you receive, review, and manage Boston Scientific device and patient data. In this training module, you will learn how to get your clinic started with Latitude NXT. There are 6 key steps to getting started on Latitude NXT. 1. Clinic and clinic account manager enrollment. 2. First-time login. 3. Establishing patient groups. 4. Establishing schedules, alerts, and alert notification preferences. 5. Adding and managing users. And 6. EMR integration setup. This specific training module will walk you through steps 1 and 2. Steps 3 through 6 are available as separate modules on our YouTube page. Let's start with enrolling a clinic and clinic account manager. First, you need to decide who in your clinic will serve as the clinic account manager. The clinic account manager should be your point person for Latitude NXT at your clinic. It's possible to have more than one clinic account manager, but we recommend you limit the number of users that have this level of access and responsibility. In Latitude NXT, clinic account managers have access to add and manage patient groups, add and manage clinic users, enroll and manage all patients in your clinic, view and dismiss patients on the patient list. Once you've identified who your clinic account manager is, work with your Boston Scientific sales representative to get your clinic enrolled. Once the paperwork has been processed, typically 3 to 5 business days, your Boston Scientific sales representative will receive an email with a username and password for the clinic account manager. Note, this process is only required for the initial setup of your clinic's account in Latitude NXT. From here, the clinic account manager is able to set up any and all new users with any access level they choose. Go to www.latitude.bostonscientific.com. Select United States from the drop-down menu. Finally, click on the Latitude NXT button. Now that you're on the Latitude NXT website, enter the username and password that was provided to you by your Boston Scientific sales representative. First-time users will be prompted to accept the Latitude license agreement, review the terms of agreement, and, if you agree to the terms, click Accept. At this time, you will be prompted to change your password. Your new password must be between 8 and 32 characters in length, must contain at least one letter and either one number or special character, is case-sensitive, it cannot be the same as any of the previous 3 passwords, and it cannot contain your username. First, enter your temporary password. Then enter a new password that meets the criteria shown on the screen. Now enter your new password a second time, save, and close. The last step in this process is selecting your personal security questions. Congratulations! You successfully completed the Degrees of Latitude module on getting started with Latitude NXT. If you still have questions about how to get started after viewing this segment, please speak with your Boston Scientific representative or call our Latitude customer support team at 1-800-227-3422. Find more Latitude NXT training modules on the Boston Scientific YouTube channel at latitudенxt.com/YouTube.